Hey everyone, real quick, click the subscribe button to stay updated with all of our Lightroom tutorials we're adding to this channel. So what we're going to talk about today is how to export a watermark on your photo. We've already built some watermarks into Lightroom. Now we're going to export our photos with the watermark attached to it. So we're going to click export. We've already talked about how to review your export location, your file name, file settings, and image sizing. Now we're going to talk about watermarking. Real quick, I'm going to uncheck resize to fit. I'm going to export this at a full resolution. So what you're going to do is you're going to click watermark. You're going to hit your drop down box because you might have a few different watermarks built into Lightroom. The one we built, one of them we built was called the sample test. So I'm going to click the sample test and then I'm going to hit export. Let me go grab that image real quick and show you what the image looks like after it's exported with the watermark. Alright guys, so this is the image that I just exported using the sample test watermark that we created in one of the previous videos. It just shows you how it's going to look whenever it's exported, how it's laid out exactly where we placed it whenever we set it up. The opacity is there. It looks exactly like it looked whenever we set up the watermark in Lightroom. So that's it guys about watermarks. Pretty easy. If you have any questions, just let us know.